Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the second part of our previous video. In our previous video, we had a look, a brief on brief history of insurance, how it started, from where it started, and when it started, and how it continued to keep on evolving with the passage of time. So today we will continue it from our previous events. So let's start from 1861. Before I start my video, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and like our video and share it with your friends. So let's start from 1861 when the first war risk insurance policies were issued, written by life insurance companies during the Civil War. And in 1866, National Board of Fire Underwriters was formed in New York City, making the beginning of insurance rate standardization. And in 1837, the legislature adopted the first standard fire insurance policy. In 1878, Fidelity and Casualty Company of New York began providing fidelity and surety bonds. In 1855, liability protection was first offered with the introduction of employee liability policies. In 1890, first policies providing benefits for disability from specific diseases were offered. In 1894, National Board of Fire Underwriters established underwriters' laboratories to investigate and test electrical material to ensure they meet fire safety standards. In 1898, Travelers Insurance Company issued first automobile insurance policy in United States, and then 1899, first pedestrian killed by an automobile in New York City. In 1810, New York passed the first United States worker compensation law. It was later found to be unconstitutional. And then in 1911, Wisconsin enacted the first permanent worker compensation law in the United States. Then in 1912, London introduced aviation insurance coverage. Then in 1925, United States passed the first compulsory automobile insurance legislation. And then in 1838, Federal Corporation Insurance Act created the first federal corporation insurance program. Then in 1945, McCarran Act Public Law 15 was enacted. It provided insurance industry with a limited exemption to federal law, assuring the preeminence of state regulation of the industry. Then in 1947, New York established the Motor Vehicle Liability Security Fund to cover insurance companies. This organization was a precursor of the state guarantee funds established by insurance in all states to absorb the claims insolvent insurers. So this was all about our today's video. Stay tuned for our next videos. Goodbye.